This video is for users who have had an exercise mode set up by their clinician. Exercise mode is sometimes used to help patients get used to the sensation of FES. It can also sometimes help to train a leg so it starts to give a more consistent movement in response to the stimulation. Occasionally, exercise mode can be used when patients are not using FES very much, as they're not walking as often as they were. In these cases, exercise mode can be helpful to maintain the tolerance and response to FES, and in some cases, it can provide a passive stretch to the opposing muscles. FES is always most effective when walking, and for most patients, exercise mode is not required. Not every PACE device works in the way described in this video. It depends on the software inside your device. To check you're watching the right video, run through the process of turning the machine off. If your device shows a P sign when it's paused and turns off at 0%, then this is the right video for you. Call your clinician to check if you're not sure which video to watch. This video is for version 1.3 of the PACE. The video for version 1.2 and 1.4 is here. To switch between walking mode and exercise mode, make sure the device is not on 0%. Ensure the device is in pause. If it isn't in pause, use the big button on the front to pause it. Then hold down the control knob for more than 2 seconds. The device will then beep like this and tell you which mode you are in. You can use the control knob to switch between walking mode and exercise mode, like this. When you have selected exercise mode, press the control knob again to begin using it. The percentage goes back down to 1%, so you'll need to turn it up to the percentage your clinician recommended. Before starting, you should ensure that you test the response to your FES. Here is a link to our video on how to do that. When you're happy with the movement, you then use the pause and play button to start and stop exercise. Make sure that you follow your clinician's advice on how long and how often to use exercise mode. To go back to walking mode, put the device in pause and hold down the control knob again. Then select walking mode.